Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a tiny food with some pretty big health benefits: sesame seeds. You've probably seen them sprinkled on bread, sushi, or desserts, but these little seeds pack a serious nutritional punch. One of their most impressive qualities is that they're an excellent source of calcium, a mineral that's essential for strong bones, teeth, and so much more. Calcium is one of the most important minerals in the body. It helps build and maintain strong bones, supports muscle contractions, keeps our heart rhythm steady, and even plays a role in nerve function. Many people think of dairy products like milk and cheese as the main sources of calcium, but sesame seeds are actually one of the best plant-based alternatives. Just a couple of tablespoons of sesame seeds can provide a meaningful amount of calcium, making them a great choice for people who are lactose intolerant, vegan, or simply looking to diversify their diet. What makes sesame seeds especially powerful is that they don't just contain calcium. They also contain other nutrients that help the body use calcium more effectively. For example, sesame seeds are rich in magnesium and phosphorus, which work together with calcium to keep bones strong and healthy. They also provide healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based protein, which add even more value to these little seeds. Regularly including sesame seeds in your meals can support bone density, which is particularly important as we age or if we're at risk for osteoporosis. For children and adolescents, sesame seeds can also contribute to proper growth and development by supplying the calcium needed for building strong bones early in life. The best part is that sesame seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to add to your daily diet. You can sprinkle them over salads, stir them into yogurt, add them to smoothies, or use them in baked goods. Tahini, which is a paste made from ground sesame seeds, is another delicious way to enjoy their benefits, perfect in hummus, sauces, or even as a spread on toast. Roasted sesame seeds also make a tasty topping for rice, noodles, or vegetable dishes. It's important to remember, though, that moderation matters. While sesame seeds are nutrient-dense, they are also high in calories and fats. Eating them as part of a balanced diet is the best way to get their benefits without overdoing it. Some people may also have sesame allergies, so always be mindful if you are introducing them to your meals for the first time. Thank you for watching. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. For personalized medical advice, please consult your primary care doctor. If you don't have a doctor, you can see an online doctor at myhomedoc Telehealth, a convenient and affordable telemedicine platform for uninsured patients. Just visit the myhomedoc Telehealth website to learn more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more patient education content. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.